Welcome back to Mech Tech Bro. If you are new here, make sure you watch our previous JavaScript beginner tutorials part 1 to part 6.1 before starting this video. Today we are continuing our JavaScript learning journey with part 6.2. So stay tuned till the end to learn something new and useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mech Tech Bro for more tech and coding tutorials. Today topic is about do-while loop. Let me explain you what is do-while loop. A do-while loop is a type of loop in a JavaScript that executes the code block at least once. Even if the condition is false, after executing once, it checks the condition. If the condition is true, the loop continues. If the condition becomes false, the loop stops. Don't worry, I will explain you clearly in Visual Studio Code step by step. First, let me write the single line comment here for heading purpose. Okay. Do while loop, right? Do while. Okay, this is the heading, which is do while loop. Now let me write the syntax here. First let me write the syntax, then I will explain you what is that syntax about. Okay, just note down the syntax. Let me use the single line comment here. Syntax. Let me write the do while loop syntax here. Do curly brackets. Inside these curly brackets I am providing code to be executed. Okay, just note it down. Code to execute. Code to execute. Then mention the while here. While and the condition. Okay, condition and semicolons. Okay, let me explain you here. Let me explain you this syntax for you guys. See here, the code inside do runs first. Inside this curly bracket is there now. It runs first, then while condition is checked. Okay, then semicolons must be added after the while condition. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay, don't worry, I will explain you with a simple example so that you guys can understand properly. First, let me provide a multi-line comment here. For stopping it, asterisk and slash. Let me provide a single line comment here. Let me explain you with the simple example. The first example is about counting numbers. Okay, counting numbers. Don't worry, first let me write the code, then I will explain you clearly what is that code about. First let me write the code. Let count equal to 1. Okay, provide semicolons, then do. See here, as it is I am providing as per the syntax. Okay, see here, do I am curly brackets. Inside the curly brackets I am writing the code, which is console.log. Don't worry, I will explain you clearly after writing the code. Console.log. Let me provide string here. Count is okay, and small gap plus count. Okay, then I am providing count plus plus. Count plus plus. After this curly bracket, I am providing the while. See here in syntax you can see, after providing while I am providing the condition. Let me provide a while here. While, after providing the while, provide the condition here. Count less than or equal to 5. Okay. See here. Let me explain you what is this code about. You guys can see here the count starting at 1. Okay. The code inside do runs first. You guys can see here console.log count is plus count. Okay. It runs first. As you seen here in the syntax, the do, inside the do, the code runs first, then the while condition runs. Okay. The code inside do runs, it prints the value. Then the count plus plus, it increases the value. As you can see here, I have provided count plus plus. Okay. The condition count, you guys can see here, condition count is less than or equal to 5 is checked. After the then while condition was checked here, count less than or equal to 5. If it's true, the loop repeats. Once count becomes 6, the condition is false and the loop stops. Okay. You guys can check here. Let me run the code. After running the code, go to index.html, right click, open with the live server, and right click here, inspect. Go to console. See here, the count is 1, count is 2, count is 3, count is 4, count is 5. Okay. I hope you guys understand the first example, which is do while loop first example, counting numbers. For avoiding your confusion, let me provide example 1 here. Example 1. Okay. Let's move to second example. Second example is about password attempt system. Okay. Don't worry, I will explain you clearly step by step. First, let me use the single line comment here. Example 2. Example 2. Example 2 is what? The password attempt system. Okay. Just note it down. Password attempt system. Okay. First, let me write the code, then I will explain you clearly what is that code about. Okay. Let password semicolons, let correct password okay equal to, I am providing the string here 1 2 3 4 3 4. Okay. Then semicolons. Now I am providing do while loop, which is do. Let me provide do here, curly brackets. Inside the curly brackets, let me provide password. Password equal to prompt. Prompt enter your password. Okay. Enter your password. Enter your password, semicolon. 1 second. Semicolon. let me provide the while here. While, after providing the while, I have to provide the condition, as you can see in the syntax here. Okay, let me provide the condition here. Password, use the exclamatory mark double equal to correct password. Correct. Okay, then provide the semicolons here. Now provide the 1 second. Now provide the console.log. Console.log. Login successful. Login su. Login successful. Okay. Yeah. Let me explain you what is this code about. As you can see here, I have provided do block here. The do block runs and asks the user to enter your password. Okay. As you can see here, I have provided prompt. Prompt what I have provided, enter your password, because the do block runs and asks the user to enter your password first. After that, it goes to the while condition. Then while condition will be checked. As you can see here, password is not equal to correct password, because this not equal to operator. This is the not equal to operator. Then the while condition will be checked. After checking the while condition, if the password is wrong, the loop repeats and asks again. Okay, when user enters the correct password, which is 1234, then loop stops and login successful message will be printed in the console. Okay, see here, let me run the code first. After running the code, go to console and check here. See here, suppose if I provide any wrong password, first I will provide a numeric wrong password, which is 67890. Okay, it asks me again, enter your password, because 67890 is the wrong password. Let me provide alphabet numbers, A S D F G H. Okay, then okay, same, it's providing me the same thing again, which is enter your password. Now for printing the login successful, you have to enter the correct password, which is 1234. Okay, let me enter the 1234 correct password, then press OK. You guys can see login successful. I hope you guys understand do while loop properly. If you enjoyed the content in today's video, please like, share and subscribe. It motivates me to create more videos. Thank you.